How often should pop-up drink stands replace equipment? Most pop-up drink stands should replace their core equipment every 1 to 3 years, depending on how often they are used. But small parts like tubing, nozzles, and seals often need replacing every few months. Think of your drink stand like a bicycle. The frame can last a long time, but the chain and tires wear out fast because they rub against things every single day. The same is true for blenders, pumps, and dispensers at a drink stand. Salt, sugar, ice, and citrus are sneaky because they slowly eat away at rubber and metal parts without anyone noticing until something breaks in the middle of a busy Saturday. A trick that not many vendors know is that mineral buildup from ice machines can quietly damage motors over time, even if the machine looks totally fine on the outside. Running a vinegar and water rinse through your ice and drink lines once a month can add months or even years to your equipment's life. Another thing people miss is that plastic parts get brittle from sunlight, so stands that sit outside all summer need equipment checks more often than stands kept in shade or indoors. One big caution is ignoring small drips or squeaky pumps, since those tiny warning signs usually mean a bigger and more expensive breakdown is coming soon, so fix small issues the moment you notice them. Another important thing is keeping a simple logbook of when each part was replaced, because guessing from memory almost always leads to forgetting something important. Also, be careful buying cheap replacement parts just to save a few dollars, since low-quality parts often fail twice as fast and end up costing more in the long run. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.